All right, hi everybody. My name is Ryan Epperly, part of the EDCT 2030 class. Here today we're going to look at how to use the pixel picture editing tool. I'll go ahead and start from the beginning, show you how to find an image. So you can just find an image from your computer. I've been using this one that seems to show quite a bit. Over here on this left sidebar, you have quite a few options. You can use a pencil tool, and then that'll just kind of down here. I'll just kind of write stuff in. You can play with that. Control Z will undo what you just did. It tells you there. So where's the pinch? So let's use the pinch tool. So it's over here on the left sidebar. And this will just kind of, let's put it right here on his chest. It'll just kind of shorten up that area, make it a little smaller, give him a little peg leg there. And then you can always undo it, do it. Up here at the top, you have some options as well. You can, let's see, image, so you can rotate. You can rotate it if need be. There's filters. Let's try, oh, no, not that one. Let's do hope. Maybe not the best one. So here you just play with it. Night vision. That won't do both of those. Cancel. Undo. So you just kind of play with it, find something that you'd like, and that is it. Here's another, so you can make a little box. Oh, that's gradient. We don't want gradient. Where is it? Here it is, the drawing tool. So you can kind of make a little box. And what I did was use the eraser tool, and then you just kind of his name. This is Waylon. And he is a cutie. And if you have a mouse, it's probably easier to write with. And then you can use a magic wand, and then it'll like make stuff pop for you. Click the whole thing, do stuff like that, and there you go. That's how you use Pixlr. It's kind of self-explanatory. Browse over what you need to do, check the top for any other options, and you'll be all set. Thank you.